Weird.
Because of caramel?
No, the vanilla flavor.
Hi guys! For today's video, kakain tayo ng ice cream. Nandito tayo sa La Creme de Creme. So, yan yung loob nila. Ang ganda guys kasi para siyang vintage inside. Tingnan nyo naman yung style sa loob. Tapos, ayan yung counter nila. Oh. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung outfit. Ano, diba? Ang ganda. So, we got our ice cream. Ito na. At pupunta kami doon sa may park malapit dito. Diyan lang kami nakapark. We're here guys. Yan yung view natin. Kakain muna kami ng ice cream namin guys. Baka matunaw. Tapos mamaya punta tayo. Lakad-lakad tayo dito sa park nila. So, I got, what's the name of this one, Bam? What's the name of this one?
Parfait.
Parfait. Ice cream with chocolate and then strawberry with caramel and then with nuts and cherry on top. Well, we got, what's this one? With the banana.
Supreme.
Banana, caramel and ice cream and nuts and cherry on top, but the cherry is now dead. Wait, let's eat. Bon appetit. Puno. Sunset is there. And then may stair siya pa. Punta sa baba. Going down. See? My ice cream, Bam. Bring it here. Punta tayo doon sa baba. And then there's another table there. Another trees. What's that, Beb? That one. Yeah.
Just a place for people to, there's the toilets are inside. During winter, people can change in there. Change for the skates.
What does it say? This one?
Basically, it says at your risk. The municipality is not responsible for anything that could happen outside of the space.
So pag nahulog tayo, dito. Hindi nila responsibilidad. Andon yung yung daanan. And the road is there. Oh my gosh. Look at the sunset. It's so cold. Why the birds are not here, Beb?
Hello?
They were here last time. Malamig na. Uwi na kami. You're going to go toilet? It's their toilet. Dito yung daan. Nasa gilid lang talaga siya. What is it called? It's... How do you read it, Beb? Le Vieux Saint-Martin.
Le Vieux Saint-Martin.
Le Vieux Saint-Martin. Oh. Okay.